All right, I'm here with Pranav from Scooty at the York Region booth at Collision Conference. Nice to see you, Pranav.
Nice to meet you, Mark.
All right, why don't we jump right in? What's Scooty all about?
Yeah, so Scooty is a micro-mobility platform. We work with cities, we work with transit systems, and we work with private property owners to provide micro-mobility with scooters and soon e-bikes as well. We're currently live in the city of Brampton, and we're going to be launching in Markham and Barrie very soon. And we're looking to expand in different cities in York Region.
Okay, awesome. Well, welcome to York Region. So please walk us through how it works. Is it like an app, and I want to rent something to get around?
Yeah. So you just download the app on your phone, you add your payment method, and then you can see where all the scooters are in Brampton. So you go to it, you just scan the barcode, and you start your ride. You pick it from one parking zone, and then you can leave it at another one. And yeah, we're actually exclusive with Metrolinx. So, sorry, could I?
That's cool. So that you can drop it off and then hop on a train or a bus or something.
Yeah. So we actually have an exclusive partnership with Metrolinx. So we have all our scooters at the GO stations, so you can finish your GO train ride and then hop on a scooter and ride to your house, or yeah.
Are you charged by time or distance?
So they charge by the minute. Yeah.
Awesome. And what separates Scooty from other micro-transportation solutions?
Yeah, so there are some other micro-transportation solutions. A lot of them do focus a little bit more on the recreational side, like for riding around at the park or on the weekends. So we're definitely really focused on integrating into the transit system. We're actually working on integrating Presto as a payment method for the scooter, and as well as integrating into the one payment system. So your scooter ride could potentially be subsidized by your GO train ride.
Love that. That sounds awesome. And then what are you looking to get out of Collision Conference? Are you looking for funding or connections, like networking?
Yeah, definitely looking for networking with different people from York Region, so we can expand to York Region. Right now we're just in Markham, and learn more about AI and about leadership and all the different topics and different discussions they have going on here, yeah.
Okay, awesome, Pranav. And then finally, what's the best website to learn more about Scooty?
Yeah, to learn more about Scooty, you can go to ridescooty.com. Yeah.
All right, ridescooty.com. Love it. Thanks. Have a great rest of your show.
All right. You too, Mark. Thank you.